Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm playing Survive a Train Ride Through a Black Hole. Okay, here comes the train. Here it comes. Get into the train. There we go. Okay, now let me set. Stop it. What's going on? Always just drink here. Come on. I just wait till I have this resource. Now, I just have to get up here. Now, I'm just going to get the train. Oh, look, I just go over there. Do you see that? Okay. So, guys, I'm going to the black hole. Okay. Now, I just have to find this. Now, we're going up to this bridge. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can go through. Okay, there's. Oh, what was that? That was so silly. Okay, let's go next to this train again. Okay, come on. Let's just get up here until you don't hear something. Like here. Okay, let me just go on here until the train goes through the black hole. Now, here I go. Let's just get in here. Okay, come on. Let's just go. Come on, go. Okay, come on. Oh, like Piggy. Okay. Now, come on. I need to get on here. Okay, go there quickly. You can go there. Come on. Go. Look, it's Pretty Win. Whoa, what was that? I just flew over. Okay, let's go again. Okay, just come on, go. Now, wait, I'll just go in here, kids, okay? Yes, I gotta see kids and guys. Okay, look at these people. Okay, guys, I need to go in here until I head through the black hole. Now, here's this train going all over the place. You see, after all of that, see, I have to get to anywhere. Now, this is going to be being tested inside this train. See, so thank you for sticking with me through this resource. And for the high train, choo-choo for oh no, no. Let's just do it one more time. Let's just do it one more time before I never gonna go through the end. Okay, let's wait for everybody to get here. Wait, Sleek E Bird. Wait. Okay, everybody get on here. Yeah, come on. Okay, go. See, go through the tunnel. Okay, go. There's black hole. Not yet, because I have to get here. Okay, there's the recognize this bridge. Okay, watch out, guys, watch out! No, I was so close. Guys, we were so close. We're almost gonna get to the end. Come on. Okay, guys, I would like to thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see a video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what other games I should play. So, bye.